Assalamu alaikum dear students, welcome to NIVS Home School. Hope you all are fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. This is Kamrun, Assistant Teacher of English, National Ideal English Version School, Day Shift. My dear students of class 4, today I am going to take your English language class, and our today's topic is writing 5 sentences. So let's start our class today. Now look, writing 5 sentences. Number 1, write 5 sentences about the activity of your English teacher considering the following points. And now look, there is a special instruction for you. Write the time in numbers and period sequence in ordinal numbers in your writing. That means you will write the time in numbers like 1, 2, 3, 4 and period sequence or the sequence of the action in ordinal numbers like first, second, third, fourth, like this. And there are some questions and you need to write the answer on the basis of those given questions or the points. So what are they? What time does your school start? How many periods does she take? That means how many periods does your English teacher take? And now look, it's in here she, that means your English teacher is a female. What time does each period start? So you need to focus on those things. That means you will write the time in numbers and then period sequence in ordinal numbers, and you have to also focus on those points. Okay, our answer will be our school starts at 10 a.m. I mean you can write another time also. About your school, our English teacher takes 3 periods every day. Her first period, now look, first ordinal number, her first period starts at 10 a.m. That means you will write the time in number 10 a.m. with class 4. Her second period starts at 10:45 a.m. with class 3. Her third period starts at 11:30 a.m. with class 5. And most important, you have to write 5 sentences. Now look, there are 5 sentences. Our school starts at 10 a.m. 1. Our English teacher takes 3 periods every day. Number 2, her first period starts at 10 a.m. with class 4. This is third sentence. And her second period starts at 10:45 a.m. with class 3. Fourth sentence. Her third period starts at 11:30 a.m. with class 5. So there are 5 sentences. So you have to follow all the instructions. Now we will go to another question, that means another example. Write 5 sentences about your class test considering the following points, and you will get those questions in your book, from your book, model question 2 and 3, question number 11. Now look, write the time in numbers and test sequence in ordinal numbers in your writing. How many tests did you attend? What time did each test begin? So in your 5 sentences you have to write about those things. That means you have to focus on those points. Let's read the answer. I attended 4 class tests yesterday. My first test began at 9:15 a.m. The second test began at 10:15 a.m. The third class test began at 11:15 a.m. The fourth class test began at 12:15 a.m. So this is these are the sample answer, sample question answer, and you can write or you can make the answer by yourself. Now we will go to another question. That means in your question pattern, this can be come in this way. That means you have to fill up the gaps fill in the gaps by writing the time so that the story makes sense. So it can come like this. In your question paper you will get the question like this one or this one or this one. There can be a time schedule also. So now we will do the second one. That now look, that means you have to fill up the gaps. Okay, now look, my name is Dina. Last week I went to my village with my parents. At first you have to read the question. At first you have to read the question or the passage, otherwise you cannot fill up those blanks. It will not make sense. You cannot write the time about yourself. That okay, you cannot write it according to your wish. You have to fill up the blanks according to the passage. Now look, I woke up at dash. I took my breakfast at about dash. We went to the Kamrun railway station at about dash. Number C, the train started at about, now number D, there is a gap. It took 3 hours to reach Kumila. We reached there at about dash. Number E. So maybe you can start your journey early in the morning. So suppose I get up, now look, I woke up at early in the morning, or we can write here 6 a.m. or 7 a.m. My name is Dina. Last week I went to my village with my parents. I woke up at, suppose I woke up at 6 a.m. I took my breakfast at about, now I will took my breakfast. Suppose I took my breakfast after half an hour, so I will write here at about 6:30 a.m. We went to the Kamrun railway station at about, so after taking my breakfast we will go to the Kamrun railway station, after half an hour I go to Kamrun railway station, so it will be 7 a.m. The train started at about dash. So now we will wait for the train, and maybe our train can come at 8 a.m. and it took 3 hours to reach Kumila. Now look, it took 3 hours. Now we will add 3 hours with 8 a.m. so it will be 11. Now look, we reach there at about 11 a.m. So you cannot write here 10 or 9 or 12 because it is mentioned here it took 3 hours to reach Kumila. Now we will go to our next question. There is another fill in the blanks. That means you have to fill in the blanks with a time that match, that make sense. My name is Adiba. I will observe my birthday tomorrow. I will wake up at dash. I will finish decorating my room at about dash. My friends will come at about dash. My father will bring my birthday cake at about dash, and at about dash we will start the birthday party. So that is a plan of the birthday party. There is a girl named Adiba. She is making a plan to celebrate her birthday. So what is her plan? And according to her plan we will write the time here. Okay, okay, let's do it. Suppose Adiba wake up at 7 a.m. Okay, let's do it. My name is Adiba. I will observe my birthday tomorrow. I will wake up at 7 a.m. I will finish decorating my room at about it takes time to decorate the room, so I will finish decorating my room about maybe 3 p.m. Okay, so my usually the birthday party is going to be celebrated in the evening, so my friends will come at about maybe 4:30 p.m. My father will bring my birthday cake at about dash. So my friends will come, and then my father will bring the birthday cake. So we cannot delay, so it can be 4:45 p.m. At about dash we will start the birthday party. So after when her father bring the cake, they will start their birthday party. So at about maybe 5 or 5:15 or we can also write there 5:15 or 5:30. At about 5:15 p.m. we will start the birthday party. So you will write time so that the passage can make a sense. Now we will go to the next method. This type of question can come. Among these 3 types of question you will get one question. You have to write one question answer in your exam. That means either you will get the 5 sentence in instruction, the first method, or in second method, or in the third method. I mean, you have to answer only one question answer. Now look, he is a it will be here is a schedule of programs of Cartoon Network. Write 5 sentences using days of the week when you will watch these programs. Saturday is the first day of the week. So there is a schedule of the program, a cartoon program on TV, and you will make a plan to watch TV, but your day will start from Saturday. That means Saturday will be the first day of the week. And now look, it's given here first day, second day, fourth day. So there's no third day, fifth day and sixth day. And the program title, Tom and Jerry, Barbie Special, Popeye, Looney Tunes and Woody Woodpecker. So our answer will be on Saturday. That means first day will be Saturday. So on Saturday I will watch Tom and Jerry. I will watch Tom and Jerry. Now second day. Second day means Sunday, and on that day we will watch Barbie Special. So on Sunday I will watch Barbie Special. Now look, fourth day. Fourth day means Tuesday. So on Tuesday I will watch Popeye. Now fifth day means Wednesday, and we will watch Looney Tunes. So on Wednesday I will watch Looney Tunes. Now the last one, sixth day, that means Thursday, Woody Woodpecker. So on Thursday I will watch Woody Woodpecker. Now we will go to our next next example. Here is a schedule of cultural competition of your school. Write 5 sentences using days of the week when you will take part in the competition. Saturday is the first day of the week. So this is the schedule of cultural competition you will take part. Now look, first day of the week starts from Saturday, and the name of the competition: recitation, singing, acting, telling jokes and dance. So our answer will be first day means Saturday, there will be recitation. So on Saturday I will take part in the recitation competition. Now third day, now there's no second day. Third day means Saturday. Now we will skip Sunday and it will be Monday. So Monday it will be singing. So on Monday I will take part in singing competition. Now fourth day means Tuesday. Fourth day it will be acting. So on Tuesday I will take part in acting competition. Now fifth day, that means Wednesday, telling jokes. So on Wednesday I will take part in telling jokes competition. Now sixth day, that means Thursday, it will be dance. So on Thursday I will take part in dance competition. So you will use this table to make 5 sentences. Now look, we have written 5 sentences here in this answer and in this answer also. There will be 5 sentences. You will use this table. Okay, and of course you will follow the instruction, and you have to remember the days. The days start from Saturday, and you have to follow these days, which is given in this table. Okay, so dear students, there are 3 types of questions in writing 5 sentences. Among those 3 types of questions, you have to answer only one question. That means in your question paper you will be given one type of question among those 3 types of questions. So all of you will practice those question answer from model question 2 and 3 from your book, and all of you will practice it at home. And if you feel if you have any queries or if you have any problem regarding this topic, you can contact with me, or you can contact your subject teacher also. So dear students, that's all for today. See you again. Allah Hafiz.